Moving on to the next stage, I have a bit of an idea for the masking that will expose the A, B and C pillars, which are the next part that I need to get paint on. Unfortunately I left the rubber on, which doesn't fit perfectly with this plan, but we'll get it out there. That's experience for the next time. But now I can do this. And just join it on all along, like that. I'm finding on this particular car that because plastic trim comes right up to the edge of the metal, it's not so easy to secure the masking tape onto it. So I can't really do my reverse taping along here. So we're going to have to go along this edge, which will be hidden by the rubber trim when it's fitted on. But there will be a line along here of joining the paints. But it's important that this is securely held and we don't get any leaks that will destroy any of the interior. I'm doing the same kind of thing all around the boot here as well. I can take this off now as well. Well, it worked. I'm happy enough how that's turned out. There isn't too much of a difference between the original paint colour, which is revealed in a few places behind the soundproofing, and the colour I've chosen for the top coat. Of course it would have been better if I could have stripped everything out, but I've already gone deeper on this project than was practical for what difference it's going to make to the final outcome. My main motivation in this whole project is preservation of the Charade rather than turning it into a showpiece. So I'm happy that that's it still significantly raised his appearance without going too crazy and perhaps having a project that I'd never finish. So we can bolt on a few little bits now. I'm going to refit my doors because I think it's the easiest way to support them while I strip them down and prep them for paint.